Still on health, the Pharmaceutical Society of Ghana has called for stronger regulations to enforce the control of opioids in the country. This comes after stakeholders in the Upper West region raised alarms over the surge in drug abuse among the youth. Here's a report by my colleague Ibrahim Wangara.
Opioids play a critical role in pain management when used appropriately under medical supervision. However, the illicit trafficking and misuse of these substances equally pose a serious public health threat, potentially leading to addiction and overdose.
A lot of the time it is because of addiction. There's something we call tolerance. Once you start using it, the effect that you get, you will not get the same effect when you take the same dose. So at some point you have to increase it. As you continue to increase it, then it means you are just eventually going to get hooked onto it. And it is not easy to break such an addiction without professional help.
John, not his real name, a drug addict who was brought to Bahas Mental Home in Wa, opens up. We usually take cocaine at the vibrant shop in Tepo, near the Chief Palace. Many people visit there to use various types of drugs. There is also another shop called KK Shop, which is a popular spot for this activity. I don't always buy drugs myself, but others often share some with me. Whenever I take weed or OS, I don't feel any effect anymore. However, when I use cocaine, it energizes my system. Deputy Executive Secretary of the Pharmaceutical Society of Ghana, Dr. Harry Ochre, speaking on the sidelines of an engagement with community pharmacy personnel, lamented the surge, calling for urgent and stronger regulatory enforcement to strengthen surveillance at all entry points.
If you look at the medications, the red in particular, it's tramadol 225 milligram. And first of all, the drug itself is illegal. In Ghana, it's only the 100 milligram and the 50 milligram that the FDA has approved for use for severe pain. So the importation of the drug itself into the country is illegal. And so we are calling on the organizations involved, the regulatory agencies and the law enforcement agencies, to crack down on these people whilst we as health professionals continue to engage in public health advocacy and education to make sure that we can curb this menace.